cute. Okay, you and I, Aaron, may not have been born in Texas, but we're both proud Texans.
Yeah, you've been here a little bit longer than me, but I consider myself an honorary Texan. But why is there so much Texas pride?
There are many reasons why Texans boast about being from the Lone Star State. These include barbecue, of course, football, Whataburger, Cowboys, and the world's only St. Patty's Day Pickle Parade. Paige is live in Mansfield as they prepare for their Pickle Parade in Palooza, and believe us, it's a big deal. Paige?
You're very funny, Jane. That is indeed. This is a big deal. We're so excited to be here. And in addition to being proud to be from Texas, Mansfield is the Pickle, Texas capital. That is so exciting. That just happened in 2013, but there's a lot more history. I would be remiss not to introduce you to one of the Pickle queens in all of her royal regalia. This is R.T. Hall. It's so good to see you.
Thank you so much for inviting us here.
Oh my gosh! You scared me so badly! You pickle dude! Wow, how are you? Because guess what?
Go over here and be good.
We have a whole bunch of other pickle queens that are here. And there they all looking beautiful, as you can see over here. And we're going to be talking a little bit about the history of this. Because back in 1926, a woman named Mildred Dalton, she started what is now known as Best Made Pickles back in 1926. It still remains a family business, and it's so exciting because, as you heard, we have the world's only St. Patty's Pickle Parade. Tell me a little bit more about what it's like to be a pickle queen and about the parade in Palooza.
So to be a queen is so much fun. You walk around town, everybody loves the queens, and the pickle dude, as you saw the pickle dude, everybody loves the dude. And so when we're in town, everybody just rushes to greet us and everything. To be a queen, though, you have to be 40 years old, and you have to be very audacious.
But you don't look over 25. I have no idea how they let you slide in.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And very audacious, and you have to be willing to volunteer. Community service, that's what it's all about. We're here to serve the community in Mansfield. So that's really important as well.
The community is a big part of this, and really just being here for just a little time that I have been, you can tell that there's so much community pride. What will people experience when they come to tomorrow's Pickle Parade?
So there's so much going on tomorrow. It starts at 8 a.m. We have the 5K run. Then we also have the kids run. Then we will start the parade at noon. But before the parade, we have the baby parade. We have the pickle playground. The babies will be dressed up amazingly cute. They're so adorable. Queen Cindy takes care of that. So it's so much fun.
There's so much fun, and there's so many good
and
things
it's all
to
free.
eat.
It's all free.
All right, so we definitely want you to come, and you also can get introduced to this charming town. I'm going to be trying a few of this pickle goodies, beginning with the dill pickle right here. Now, of course, with Mansfield being the pickle capital of Texas, these pickles had better be good. So I'm going to give this one a whirl. Ooh, you can smell them.
Ooh, it smells good though.
Yummy.
How is it?
I'm not lying.
It's good.
I don't lie to you guys. I never do. That is a dadgum good pickle right there.
Yay, awesome.
That's really good. But then you'd be surprised too. We have a candy shop right across the street, Andy Max. And she prepared all of this, including pickled jelly beans. Let me have one of these. Just a whiff. These are potent pickle jelly beans. Let me tell you that right now. Yep, that's pickle all right. And even pickle cotton candy. It's all right here.
That's my favorite.
It's good.
It really is
Cotton
good.
candy can be so sweet. And then we can take a bite.
It's really
delicious.
good.
All right, so this has been done. This is the 13th annual, correct?
Yes,
13th
ma'am.
annual Pickle Parade. And people have the opportunity to come taste all these different fabulous pickle products. And everybody comes out in spades. We're talking floats like you would not believe. You've got Elvis impersonators on motorcycles that go by.
We do.
And also just people doing yoga, aerial yoga, you name it, it's out there.
It's going to be amazing. We have 75 floats. We have all kinds of food vendors, and we have market vendors plying the streets and behind Main Street.
And y'all will be there in your...
And we will be here in all of our glory.
Okay, I would give anything. I'd love to be a pickle queen with you. That would be so much fun.
Normally, we have to make you volunteer and work for a couple of years before we will crown you. But this is Her Royal Highness Amanda Kowalski, and she's gonna allow me to
Should I
make
curtsy?
you
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
honorary pickle queen.
This is the pickle wave.
That's
This
it.
is the pickle wave. I don't know what to say. I want to thank all my fans. I want to thank my mother and my father. I want to thank the pickle queen for giving me this honor and this big responsibility. I hope I don't let you down. Thank you guys so much. This has been so much fun. Come on, Pickle Day. I'm not mad at you anymore. I forgive you. Thank you for this honor. And don't worry, guys. I'll be bringing back some pickles. You can find out more information by checking out their website, which you see on the screen, as well as all the different fun activities that you can expect at this pickle parade and Palooza. Okay, guys. More pickles for me, and I'll send it back to you.
I'll say no.